We're here in the car in Dumfries. We are going to a place called the Garden of Cosmic Speculation today, but it doesn't open for another hour. So we're going to go and drive past Robert Burns' house. Robert Burns? That's right. That's right, yeah. Robert Burns' house. He's the poet who did Auld Lang Syne and other famous things, so let's go and check it out then. Audio Jungle. Where we're going now is called the Garden of Cosmic Speculation. It's a garden in this guy Charles Jenks' house. He's an architect and a theorist. He's created this like incredible garden and he only opens it to the public once a year, and it just so happened to be open this weekend when we were down here for a wedding. So we're actually in the queue now. Got our tickets ready through Eventbrite, which is pretty decent. We've got them on the phone. Just come up like this. The guy's outside, so we'll be getting our tickets checked really soon. We're nearly there. Whoa, watch the hole. Wow. Under the tunnel. No, not going to water. Audio Jungle. I think we're not allowed to go inside. That's right, not allowed. Whoa, is it a secret little door? Whoa. We're checking inside. Whoa. That's really cool, isn't it? I think we lost Dad. Audio Jungle.